Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we solve a heat engine problem finding the work output and thermal efficiency using the first law of thermodynamics. Let us start. Read the problem carefully. A heat engine receives 1000 kJ of heat from a high temperature reservoir and reject 600 kJ to a low temperature reservoir. We need to find part A, the work output of the engine, part B, the thermal efficiency of the engine. Here is the key concept. The key concept at the bottom of the slide tells us everything we need. A heat engine converts part of the heat from the hot reservoir into useful work and reject the rest of the cold reservoir. Two equations govern this. So one is QH equal to Wnet plus QL and another efficiency eta is equal to Wnet by QH into 100. These two equations are all we need for this problem. So now here look at the system diagram on your screen. Here heat QH equal to 1000 kilojoule flows downward into the engine from the hot reservoir at the top. The engine produces net work Wnet going out to the right. This is what we want to find. And QL equals 600 kilojoule flows downward out of the engine to the cold reservoir at the bottom. On the right hand side here given data heat supplied QH that is 1000 kilojoule, heat rejected QL 600 kilojoule, work output Wnet is equal to we have to find out, and efficiency eta we have to find out. So here is the two formula, Wnet is equal to QH minus QL and eta is equal to Wnet by QH into 100. Now from that first law of thermodynamics we can easily find out Wnet QH minus QL. So 1000 minus 600 we will get Wnet 400 kilojoule. So here is the physical meaning. Every 1000 kilojoule entering the engine, 400 kilojoule becomes the useful work and 600 kilojoule is the rejected. So required by second law. And that eta thermal efficiency, that means fraction of heat supply converted to useful work. So eta is equal to Wnet by QH into 100, 400 by 1000 into 100, so 40%. So only 40% of the heat supplied is converted to the useful work and the remaining 60% is unavoidable, rejected, the imposed by second law of thermodynamics. So here is the complete result. So heat supplied QH is 1000 kilojoule, heat rejected QL is equal to 600 kilojoule, net work output Wnet is 400 kilojoule and thermal efficiency eta is 40%, and QH Wnet plus QL that is 600, that will verify the first law. So here is the key takeaway: only 40% heat is converted to useful work, and real engine are always less than this due to friction, heat loss and irreversibility. So that's it for this problem. If you feel this video is help you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.